Students, in this class we will be discussing questions from the previous question papers. You are advised to read the question carefully and answer accordingly. Students, in this question we are expected to find the area of the shaded region. So the area formula is given to be as integral y dx within the limits x is equal to a to x is equal to b. So this is going to be integral x is equal to 0 to x is equal to this point, which is 7 pi over 6, and y is going to be 4 times sine squared x positive 8 times sine x positive 3 times dx. Now I have a formula which says that sine squared x is equal to 1 negative cos 2x divided by 2. So I would be using this formula here. So this is going to be 0 to 7 pi over 6 4 times of 1 negative cos 2x divided by 2 positive 8 times sin x positive 3 times dx. Now 2 divides 4 2 times, so I can rewrite this as integral 0 to 7 pi over 6. 2 times 1 gives me 2. 2 times cos 2x would give me 2 times cos 2x positive 8 times sin x positive 3 times dx. I can add 3 with 2, so that is going to be integral 0 to 7 pi over 6 5 negative 2 times cos 2x positive 8 times sin x times dx. So I have to perform this integration. Now this can be further rewritten as 5 times dx integral 0 to 7 pi over 6 negative 2 times integral 0 to 7 pi divided by 6 times the integrand is cos 2x times dx positive 8 integral 0 to 7 pi over 6, and the integrand is sin x times dx. Now this will give me, upon integration, 5 of x, the limits are 0 to 7 pi over 6, negative 2 times integrating cos 2x would give me sin 2x divided by 2, limits are 0 to 7 pi over 6, positive 8 times integration of sin x would give me negative cos x. Okay, the limits are 0 to 7 pi over 6. Now applying limits, we get, so what do we get when we apply the upper limit for this? It's going to be 5 of 7 pi over 6 negative 0 negative, the 2 and 2 can be cancelled, so this is going to be sine of 2 times of 7 pi over 6 negative, of course sine 0 is 0, so no need to bother. This is going to be negative 8 times cos of 7 pi over 6 negative cos of 0. So this is what we have got. Now this is rewritten as 5 times 7 is going to be 35 pi over 6 negative. Now this is going to be sine of 7 pi divided by 3 negative 8 times cos 7 pi over 6 and positive, now cos 0 is 1, so that's going to be 8 there. So I have to do some rearrangement. So now these two quantities have to be simplified. Okay, now sine 7 pi over 3, this is going to be positive root 3 over 2, and cos 7 pi over 6, this is going to be negative root 3 over 2. Now substituting these values, we would get 35 pi over 6 followed by negative root 3 over 2 and then negative 8 times negative root 3 over 2 positive 8. This is going to be 35 pi over 6 negative root 3 over 2 positive 8 times root 3 over 2 positive 8. These two things can be added, so that would give me 35 pi over 6 positive 7 times root 3 over 2 positive 8. So this is the area that we are talking about, so you need to add square units there, and the statement or a word, the required area is, okay. So this completes the solution for this question.